Hi, this is Dr. Saxena, and there are some things which, as an environmental, working in the environment and environmental medicine, I had. This is something like a poser and how we can help these things out. And my fundamental question is, where have all our insects gone? This is one thing which what I have seen in my childhood, whatever things, the big kind of flies, insects, and all that, now we don't see in our ecosystem. And what must be, see, when we talk about insects, they creep, they crawl, they fly. And I remember I used to see that fluorescent lighted insect in my in my childhood. And now I don't see that particular stuff. I don't see any. This is called collapsing bees. Their bees, what we see, are less in number, and whatever what this signifies, what exactly this signifies, is one thing we need to understand. See, the insects, they creep, they crawl, and they fly, and some may even sting as such. So without these insects and all that, I'm sure our ecosystem is going to collapse. And see, the population and diversity of the insects on the earth has been rapidly, we must agree that they are decreasing, like they are into extinction kind of stuff. We as When we talk about into some of the entomologists and the scientists also, they are unable to pinpoint the cause, what exactly is this particular thing. But I certainly believe excessive use of insecticide use, weed killers is okay, different thing. But the excessive use of insecticide, using that hit mog, all this mortarine and all that, something for cockroach, something for mosquitoes and all that, and something for the general kind of stuff. This is one of the reasons. And the other reason may be something like light pollution. I know this particular thing. I'm talking about the electromagnetic radiation which emanates to the light, because some of the insects, they keep coming towards the light. And apart from this, there is a habitat fragmentation, and climatic changes are a reason. Apart from that, we have something like cellular phone towers. So this one thing is disrupting their habitat fragmentation. The kind of signals the one bird used to give to the other bird while going around, now they are lost. Things are not properly work thing as it. So what things you can do as a reasonable and a normal kind of as a person, what we can do is, you can always buy some organic products, try to eliminate using these insecticides in your home and your offices. So these are the things which everyone should start looking in that. And according to that Harvard biologist Edward Wilson, if according to him, if all humankind were to disappear, the world would regenerate back to the rich state of equilibrium which existed 1,000 years, 10,000 years back. If insects were to vanish, the environment would collapse into chaos. So, big things, insects are definitely in trouble. And there is a lot of work which has been on this one. We have instances where work has been done in Great Britain and in the Australia as also. And there's a way, they see, they have demonstrated the mosquitoes also are on the decline. And so there is a situation, if we are the question here is, if we don't maintain that ecology balance, and something we are not really this wildlife preservation, this insects preservation, everything has to be taken into account to maintain that proper ecosystem. And yes, this is this thing which we believe should be the people should start asking themselves whenever they start using that insecticide. I strongly tell everyone to avoid that insecticide. The reason being very simple: the insecticides are chemicals which have got something like this is some inherent poisons, and I can tell you, whatever you are spraying it towards the insects and all that, you are also absorbing that and inhaling that in the because it gives out gassing, and that is one of the primary reasons for your mitochondrial issues, as well as you get into some kind of poisoning, and you slowly see after some time there will not be any immediate effects, but there will be a very long term effects will be there. And try to buy organic foods which are really should look into that. And organic farmers, they do not use the synthetic herbicides or pesticides in farming techniques. Try to use this particular thing. If possible, you can always plant a garden. I think the best tasting vegetables are things what you can do in your garden, or whatever we do in the home kitchen and all that. And thereby you can always see that you can always not go for that pest control. We can always avoid this pesticides and all that. And this is a question, food for thought, and we should always ask where have all our insects gone. And with this, I think I try to make a statement, and I believe in conserving the nature, because that's how we have to always go ahead. And thanks for your attention. Thank you.